Hi, and welcome to the fourth session of my Being Agile YouTube seminar. In this session, I will be covering the core concepts of Agile. These concepts are not just important in professional setup, but we must take advantage of these concepts in our personal life as well. The concepts that I will be covering today are foundations for being agile in life. I'll start today's session with the core values of Agile. Then I'll talking about the steps to be followed for being Agile, various components of Agile, and later the Agile team, its roles and responsibilities. I will be ending this session with benefits of Agile. Let's first talk about the core values of Agile. First, Agile prefers people and their interaction over processes and tools. The processes and tools must be used as the mediums for assisting people and their interactions. Second, delivery is more important over documentation. I have already covered this in our last session. Third, Agile prefers customers and collaboration with them over negotiations. As per Agile, negotiation is not the preferred approach to come to a conclusion. And the last, being ready for change. As we discussed in the previous session, the change is on our way. Overall, the people who are working on developing the product and the stakeholders or the end customers must be given the utmost priority as per Agile. Collaboration, adapting to change, delivering according to the expectations are crucial for the success of being Agile. Now, let's spend some time on understanding the 6 steps for being Agile. Project planning. It is the first step of Agile in which we answer 3 Qs. What are these 3 Qs? What, how, and when of a project. Project roadmap. Based on the availability of the resources and the complexity of the work, you need to create the timeline for delivering the project. It may be week-wise, month-wise, quarter-wise, or so on. Release planning. In this step, you need to plan for the value addition to customers within the constraints of scope, timeline, and budget. Sprint planning. This is actual execution plan, which is implemented on the flow for delivering the project. Daily stand-ups. The daily meetings about the progress comprising all the team members is known as the daily stand-ups. Sprint review and retrospective. The last 2 meetings of the sprint to demonstrate the features that are developed by the team and check what went well, what could be improved, and the accomplishments of the team. Retrospective is also an opportunity for the team to learn from its mistakes. Let's relate it to the house construction example from our previous session. Plan, sprint, daily progress checks, and retrospective are the steps that must be followed to construct a house in an agile way. Let's now talk about the components of Agile. User stories, sprint, stand-up meetings, Agile board, and backlogs are the 5 components of Agile. A user story is the high-level or abstract definition of the work to be completed. Points are assigned to estimate the efforts. The number of points assigned vary based on the complexity, time, and dependencies of the story. The points are assigned as per the Fibonacci series. A sprint is usually the 1 to 3 weeks iteration for the completion of a set of user stories. Stand-up meetings. In this daily meeting, every team member describes the progress. In this meeting, the team member talks about 3 points. First, what I have achieved yesterday. what I'm going to accomplish today, and the progress blockers, if any. For 7 members team, the maximum 10 minutes should be enough for daily stand-ups. The Agile board. It is the progress tracking board. Here, the project progress is divided into various sections, and the stories are moved between these sections by the team members to show their progress individually. And the last one is the backlogs. The backlogs are the user stories which are outside the scope of the current sprint and serve as the section for collecting the project requests or enhancements. The Agile team, its roles and responsibilities. An Agile team comprises of 4 members: stakeholders, product owners, Scrum Master, and the development team. Stakeholders. Stakeholders play the information role for tracking product updates and sprint goals. They review and approve work during sprint. They also provide feedback during sprint or in the retrospective meeting. Product owners, or POs. PO defines the goals for each sprint. PO manages and prioritizes the team backlog. And also, PO is the voice of stakeholders in their absence. In modern terms, product owners are also called product managers or PMs. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master ensures that the sprint is on track. Scrum Master also serves as the team's advocate and resolves any issues or challenges. In layman terms, the Scrum Master is like the ringmaster in a circus. The Scrum Master ensures the collaboration, focus, speed, and progress of the delivery. Remember that being a Scrum Master, it becomes your responsibility to develop the collaboration in the team and ensure the success of the team. Team members. Team members refers to the development team led by the development manager. Agile recommends a team of 3 to 7 members comprised of different specialties and strengths to execute the work at the ground level. Being Agile comes with a lot of benefits. Some of them are as following: timely deliveries, right product, better quality, increased productivity, visibility, happy stakeholders or customers, continuous feedback and guidance, and at the end, higher revenue, of course. Do not forget about the people collaboration and confidence that Agile will embed the team and stakeholders. With this, we have come to the end of this session. In the next session, I'll start on 2 very important frameworks following Agile: Scrum and Kanban. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this session, please do like and share. I wish you all success and see you in the next interesting session of Being Agile. Bye-bye.